Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Samsung has now started rolling out the One UI 7 update to more devices. It first landed on the Galaxy S24 and S25 series, and now it's being extended to the Galaxy S23 lineup. Sounds exciting, right? But hold on, many users aren't exactly thrilled. In fact, a lot of S23 owners are running into serious issues after installing the update. One user on the Samsung forum mentioned that the always-on display isn't working properly. The battery icon and the clock seem to be glitching in AOD mode, and even the charging info keeps shifting positions on the lock screen. They shared that it feels like Samsung rushed this update out the door, and it's pretty disappointing to see these kinds of bugs on a flagship phone like the S23 Ultra. It's not just the S23 users, either. S24 Ultra owners are also reporting strange problems. One user said that after updating to One UI 7, they noticed a weird noise coming from the charger. They're using an official 25W Samsung charger, and it works perfectly fine with other devices like the Galaxy A55 or the Tab S7. But when charging the S24 Ultra, the charger starts making a sound after some time. They're wondering if it's just their unit or if others are experiencing the same thing. Another user dropped a screenshot and mentioned that after the One UI 7 beta ended and the stable version rolled out, they started noticing all kinds of bugs, battery draining quickly, the phone heating up, and problems in the quick settings panel. They're asking Samsung to push out a hotfix to take care of these issues. Someone else who updated their S23 Ultra said their phone has become slow, it freezes at times, gets hot, and the battery just doesn't last like it used to. Before the update, everything was running smooth. They're now asking if anyone else is seeing these problems too. There's also a long-standing frustration that hasn't been addressed yet. One user pointed out that the default font still doesn't display properly in apps like WhatsApp and YouTube. They were hoping One UI 7 would finally fix this, but it hasn't been resolved. They said it makes the user interface feel incomplete, and honestly, that's a fair point. These little details make a big difference in the overall experience. Another S23 Ultra user shared their experience after installing the update, saying that while the visual changes look nice, the phone heats up way too much and the battery just keeps draining fast. They're urging Samsung to look into this and roll out a fix soon. Now, over to you. Have you updated to One UI 7 yet? And if you have, are you facing any of these problems? Let us know in the comments, we're all in this together. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.